In this video, I will talk about a low cap AI gem with a massive potential. I will share with you my price prediction for the short and also for the long term for this project. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share their daily analysis about Bitcoin, AI coins and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. In this video, I will talk about Ator protocol. This AI gem is right now on place 279 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $220 million. This project is building a global anonymous routing ecosystem, and you will find all information on the website, but I think it's a very promising project with a very high potential. So I think it's definitely a very promising AI coin, especially for the future. And tomorrow will be the Nvidia earnings date. And if we have some very nice Nvidia earnings prices, then the chance is extremely high that we can see even higher prices for the whole AI sector, and especially Ator. The chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend, because as you can see on the weekly time frame, we are still in this bullish trend with higher highs and higher lows. And as you can see, after this bullish push, we saw this retracement to the downside. We then came all the way down into this last highs. We perfectly retested it. And then we saw this bullish explosion and right now this very weakly bullish candle. So Ator perfectly retested this last demand zone. And right now, after Bitcoin pumped, we are right now also seeing this pump for Ator. And if you want to buy this coin, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies. You will find a link for BingX in the description. So now Ator also broke this last high right here. So we are in a bullish structure on a daily time frame again. And the next really interesting price target is the all-time high right here at $3.94. And just from the price right now to this next potential price target, we would have potential over 60%. And if Ator also broke this last high to the upside, then the chance for a massive price discovery is there. So the potential that we can see even higher prices is there. And to calculate some next potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $5.42. And if we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $7.82. And I think this both are very realistic, especially if the Nvidia earnings date are really positive. And from the price right now to this bigger potential, we would have a potential of 217%, which is really massive. And again, for the long run, I'm very bullish on this project because we have a high potential and the market cap is just $220 million. So we have a lot of potential to the upside. And if we also have a look at the circulating supply, you can see that we have 90%. So most of the coins of Ator are already in supply, which is a very bullish sign for a low cap gem like this. And I think a 10 to 20x is very realistic for this project because the market cap of the AI coins is just around $42 million. And I think a market cap of around $500 million is very realistic for the cycle. But if Ator is also getting one of the best coins in the AI space, the chance that we could see even higher prices like a 50 to 100x is also possible. So for the long run, I'm really bullish on Ator and also on the short term. As you can see, we retested this last demand zone and we are right now breaking out of this accumulation phase. So I think right now is a very great chance to get into Ator. And I also bought some coins with my Signal group. I share their daily analysis, real-time trading signals and my crypto spot buys and sells. So if you want to join my exclusive Signal group, you will find the link in the description, the second link. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.